Welcome back to the Wednesday Affiliate Marketing FAQ series. My name is Frank Chanda, the owner of the wealthyacademy.com. Today's question is a big one. What is affiliate marketing and how can you use it to make some really cash? Let's face it, there is a lot of noise out there about making money online. Affiliate marketing gets thrown out the bunch, but what does it actually mean? It is some kind of scam. Buckle up because I'm here to break it down for you in a way that is super easy to understand. Imagine you are at a party and you see two people who would be perfect friends. One person loves baking delicious cookies and the other person is constantly craving for sweets. You introduce them and everyone is happy. Affiliate marketing is kind of like that, party matching. Here is how it works. Company create handsome products and services. They want more people to know about them, so they offer a commission, a kind of reward to people who help spread the word. Affiliate, that is you, are the matchmakers. You find those cool products and promote them to your audience, like a friend on social media or readers of your blog. Customers discover those products to you, the affiliate. If they love it and buy it, you earn a commission from the sale. Now, before picture yourself rolling in the door overnight, let's be honest. Affiliate marketing takes some work. Here is what you actually need to do. This could be anything from fitness to fashion or to dog training. When you are genuinely excited about a topic, it shows in your recommendation and people trust you more. Don't just promote anything for a quick buck. Pick products you believe in and that will genuinely benefit your audience. This is the key. Nobody buy from someone they don't trust. Be honest, transparent, and create valuable content that helps people. There are a bunch of ways to promote affiliate products. Here are some few ideas. Create blog posts or YouTube videos reviewing or showcasing the product. Share your affiliate link on the social media with engaging captions. Build an email list and recommend product to your subscribers. The key is to be creative and find a way to naturally incorporate your affiliate links into your content without feeling salesy. Affiliate marketing can be a fantastic way to build a side hustle or even full-time income. But if you are new to this, there is definitely a learning curve. That is why I've created a free 7-day affiliate bootcamp. This bootcamp, you will learn step by step how to find profitable affiliate programs, create engaging content, and track your results. Here is what you will find: daily video lesson packed with actionable strategies, workbooks and checklists to guide you through the process, a supportive community of other inspiring affiliates. Check the link in the description below to sign up for the 7-day affiliate marketing bootcamp. Let's turn your passion into profit. And remember, if you have other questions about affiliate marketing, drop them in the comment below. I'm here to help you succeed. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my future update. See you next Wednesday for another affiliate marketing FAQ. Until then, keep hustling and happy affiliating.